Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Compass battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety glasses. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. The battery is usually found under the hood, often on the passenger side, secured by a hold-down clamp. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative cable, then carefully remove the black cable. Next, proceed to the positive terminal, loosening its nut and removing the red cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which typically secures the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with your battery brush. This ensures a good connection. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Reattach the hold-down clamp or strap firmly to prevent any movement while driving. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both nuts securely. For our final steps, double-check that all connections are tight and the new battery is stable in its tray. Applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals will help prevent future corrosion and extend battery life. Now, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Listen for a strong crank and check your dashboard for any warning lights. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your Jeep Compass battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.